Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilts here on YouTube. Got a 2023 Peterbilt 389, brand new, 78-inch stand-up sleeper. It's not, excuse me, it's not available. I wish it was. This one was bought by Carlos out of Miami, Florida. So thank you, Carlos. You've come a long way to buy a truck. It's a Redfire effect and diamond white. Love this Redfire color. It's just gorgeous. Beautiful truck. 2-inch stripes, offsetting. We kind of call this color combo our bi-color, I guess is what you'd call it. 14-inch drop visor. 7 top of cab lights. No air horns on the roof. Some people like that, some people don't. I think it gives it a much cleaner look. Didn't have a chance to get a bunch of lights on this and everything. I'm not going to go through a whole walkthrough on this. Master disconnect. Polished tanks, they're a little bit dirty. I just rinsed it off. Having a hard time finding detail, guys. Put the antennas on the back of the sleeper, 6 load lights. S-bar heater right there. Dual, or the positive and negative jump posts. Train horn. See the train horn, we got it stuck up in there. 11R 24.5s on this one. 30-inch Hogue built quarter fenders. Michelin XDN 2s. And this truck does not have lockers. .280-inch wheelbase, 336 gears. And with the taller tires, she'll be more like a 325 gear truck with 11R 22.5s. Put a Thermo King tri-pack on there. Probably going to need that in Miami. Polished everything. It just needs a good wash, and we gotta find a detail guy. Just a gorgeous truck. Aero mirrors. I'm not going to pop the hood. It's a 605 2050 torque Cummins X15. But we'll take you inside since this one is a double bunk. Platinum interior, and it weighs 19,606 pounds. Got the national seats, Peterbilt logos in the seats. These are a very comfortable seat. Digital dash, power windows, power locks, heated mirrors, power mirrors. You're fired up. Train horn, CB, factory installed. And here's your A panel. It's your digital dash. B panel. Did full gauges, no navigation, and spare switches over there. Got a inner axle diff lock here. It's pretty standard. Air slide fifth wheel. Suspension down, so it drops your rear suspension. And PTO switch. Not exactly sure what's going on up here because that shows a PTO switch as well. We only ordered one in it, so I'm not quite sure exactly what's going on there. That may just be a spare. Not quite sure. AM, FM, Bluetooth, AC, 18 speed. Got the smart wheel. And in the back, got a bed, and then we got the double bunk up here, and that folds down. Most guys like the double bunk, just use it for storage, but the business center over here, closet behind the driver, fridge behind the driver, stand up. There's the tri-pack controls right there, the Thermo King, and there's the S-bar bunk heater. So if for some reason your tri-pack goes out, you still have a bunk heater on this. Doesn't cost much at all from the factory. So just thought I'd share this one with you. Got the fold-away armrests. Here's the look down the hood. So I thought I'd share this one with you. Beautiful truck. Again, it's not available. I wish it was. But won't get into all the details on this one. But that's it. Beautiful day here in Greeley, Colorado. It's Keith Couch, 970-691-3877. Text is best. Or you can email me, CouchK, that's C-O-U-C-H-K, @rushenterprises.com. Take care.